Welcome back to Dave's Christmas Spectacular. Coming to you every day at 4 p.m. until Christmas Day 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 80% of you are not subscribed, so hopefully today is the day I earn your subscription. And don't forget to click the bell notification if you'd like to actually know when I upload or go live to review other people's cooking videos. All right, today we have something known as the Tipsy Elf, a perfect little drink for your office Christmas party. It starts off with 2 ounces of bourbon, followed by 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, followed by 1 ounce of Campari. And then you just want to grab a little knife, give it a stir, and that's that. The Tipsy Elf. Done.